In this video, we are going to see the partnership topic in the Aptitude series. At very first, we have concept. So, for the concept, I have taken a example of three persons, like let a person A, person B, and the person C. So, every person is with their own capital for the investing. So, let a person A is with capital C1, like C1, and B C2, C3. So the capitals are in this ratio C1, C2, C3. So person A is going to investing for the time period of T1. Like suppose he have a capital of 1000 rupees. Suppose he is going to investing for a time period of 3 months, means like every month he is going to invest SIP like 1000 at first month, and again 1000 in the second month, again 1000 in the third month. So at last we are considering profit as the capital into time period. So these are the ratios we are taking. This is a concept. So capital into time, which is equals to profit. So therefore we need to remember this formula all time in solving the partnership topic, like capital into time is profit, like C into T in shortcut. Ramu started the business with the capital, time, and the profit with the 21,000. After some time, Sham joins the business. So after of some time, Sham joins the business with 36,000. So these are in the ratios form. After how many months did Sham join the business? So we need to find after of how many months of the business starts the Sham has been joined to this business. We need to find that. So if profit is distributed in equal ratio after 1 year, so he has came with this capital and the Sham has been with this capital. So after of 1 year, so the 1 year means it is a 12 months. So Ram is successfully with of 12 months, but Sham joins in the middle of. So let it be a variable months. So he is with time or a tenure of with m months. So the profit, which is equals to nothing but this formula, like capital into time, like 21,000 into 12 ratio is equals to 36,000 into m months. So he given a hint, like if the profit is distributed equal ratio after 1 year. So what he mentioned that the profit of the Ram and Sham is now equal, like which is equal. So if we simplify this, we are going to get the value to this m variable. M is equals to the 7 months. So Sham is investing for a 7 months. So means he joined at the 12 minus 7, which is equals to 5th month. The 5th month the Sham has been joined to this business. So what he asked like after how many months did Sham join the business? So after 5 months the Sham joined the business and continue for the 7 months, and the Ram continue for the 12 months. So our answer is 5 months, which is in the option. Now let us see the next question. The next question is like, in a partnership, A invests 1/6 of the capital for 1/6 of the time. So here the person A with capital 1/6 for the time 1/6 is going to invest like this. Again the third row is profit. So again B invests 1/3 of the capital for 1/3 of the time. So B is going to invest in this fashion, like 1/3 capital for the time period of 1/3, and C rest of the capital. The C is going to invest the rest of the capital. So the rest of the capital we are going to find soonly for the whole time. for the whole time. This is also I will explain for the short period of time. Out of a profit is 4600, so the total profit is 4600. Find B's share. So in this profit we need to find the share of the B. So these are the ratios. So here perform LCM to this, like 6 and the 3, the LCM is 6. So in order to make the denominator to 6, here we need to multiply with numerator and the denominator with 2. So here it is 1 and here it is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the total capital is given, it is a 6. In that already 3 are invested by A and B. So the remaining is nothing but 3, which is invested by the C. So the rest is 3, which is invested by this C. So the rest is 3 by 6. Again for the whole time is going to invest. For the whole time means here it is of ratio 1 by 1. For the whole time means, suppose you check here, like if the whole time is 6, A is going to invest by the one time. So if the whole time is 3, in that whole time is going to invest to the time period of 1. So for the whole time of 1, the C is going to invest by the complete time 1 by 1 only. So if we perform 6 and 3 LCM, then we are going to get 6 as the LCM only. So in order to become here 6, here we are multiplying with numerator and denominator with 6. Here also same with 6. Sorry, here 2, here also 2. So if we rewrite this, here I am rewriting here like A, B, C, D and P. So it is a ratio, means we are cancel outing the whole denominators because we are made the denominator to equal. Here also same. So we are left over with 1 here, here 2, here 3, again here 1, here 2 and here 6. So here the total is 4600. So the profit is nothing but the multiplication of this C and T. 1 into 1 which is 1, 2 into 2 which is 4, 3 into 6 which is 18. So the ratio which is equals to the sum of this ratio which is equals to 4600, like 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 18 which is 23. 23 ratio is equals to 4600 means for the ratio of 1 which is equals to 200. So finally we need to find the profit share for the B. So the profit share for the B is, again for the ratio 1 it is 200 means for ratio 4 we need to multiply with 200 with 4, we are going to get the share value like 800. So 800 is the share value of the B, which is the option A. Now let us move to the another question. The next question is like, two partners invested rupees 50,000 and 70,000 and agreed that 70% of total profit should be divided equally. So let it be partner 1 and the partner 2, capital, time and the profit. So the capital is 50,000 and 70,000 respectively. So they agreed that 70% of total profit should be divided equally. Like if the profit total is of 100% means in this 70%, like if it is of 100% means in this 70% it is going to divide equally, like 35% and 35%. So here is going to get 35%, here is going to get 35%, and rest of the profit in their capital ratio. So the rest of this 100 is 30%. So 30% is going to divide with respect to their capitals, like so it is a ratio now. So for the ratio we can cancel out these zeros. So the total capital is equal to the ratio of 12. So this 12 is equals to this 30% means for the ratio 2 it is equals to 5, for the 1 it is equals to 5 by 2 percentage. Now for the ratio of 5 it is equals to 25 by 2 percentage, which is nothing but let it be 25 by 2 percentage. For the ratio 7 which is equals to 5 7 ja 35 by 2 percentage. So the remaining 30% is going to divide in this form with respect to the invested capital, like the remaining of 30%, the profit percentage for the partner 1 is going to get like 25 by 2 percentage, and partner 2 will get 35 by 2 percentage. So if you sum all this you will get the 100 percentage. So again, if the one partner gets 440 more than other partner, means the difference of this both the partners is 450. Find total profit in the business. We need to find the total profit, which is 100%. So the difference of this P1 and P2 profit is 450. He given hint. So like 35% plus 25% by minus 35% minus 35 by 2%, which is equals to, so here I simplified this. The difference of this is 5%. If the 5% is equals to 450 means to get the 100%, here we need to multiply 5 to 20. Similar thing, if we multiply 20 to this 450, we are going to get 9000. So for the 100% it is like 9000. So the 450 is of equals to 5% means for the 100% it is of 9000, which is the option C. Now let us see the another question. The next question is like the investment made by X and Y are in the ratio 3:2. So X and Y is making an investment in the ratio capital in the ratio 3:2. If 5% of the total profit is generated, so it is a time and it is a profit. In this profit it is donated 5%, and X gets 8550 and his share of the profit. So X gets 8550 has share of his profit of the X. Then what is the amount of total profit? So we need to find that the total profit amount, which is the total profit is 100%. 100% is the total profit. So after donating of this 5% also, the X going to get this amount. So the profit in both adding X and Y, where it is of equals to total 95% only. Combining of X and Y profits, which is of equals to 95%, the 5% is going to donate. We need to calculate the 100% of total profit. Now if the 3 is equals to 8550 means, here assume the time period is equals to the ratio 1 and 1, like 3 into 1 1 only. If the 3 is equals to 8550 means 1 is equals to 8550 means 1 is equals to 2850. For the 2, so here also we need to find now. So for the 2 it is equals to, so for the 2 I have simplified here. For the 2 it is equals to 5700. So here it is equals to 5700. So combining both of this, like 8550 plus 5700, which is equals to, so which is equals to the 95%. Here I am writing the 95% is equals to 14250. So we need to find for 100%. So for the 100%, what is the value? So here I will show you the trick. So here I will show you the trick, like 14250 is of 95% means for the 100% it is more than the 14250. So here we need to check is 1400 means it is less than the 95 percentage, means it is the not valid answer. Again this C also not valid, D also not valid, so it is maybe option B. So we will confirm by solving like, so 95 percentage is equals to 14250 means 19 5 which is 95, 19 into 750 which is equals to this one. So I am cancelling the 19 on the both sides, we are left with 5 percentage is equals to 750. So in order to get 100 percentage I am multiplying here with 20, here also with 20 on the both sides. So if we multiply 20 with this 750 we are going to get 15000.